If we want to take a look at what defines a premium bullet and what does not, it's all about, for me at least, all about the filling of the bullet body. So here you can see completely filled driving bands and a sharp edge of the flat base bullet. As well as here you see that they fill up and are uniformly shaped, each driving band, leaving a perfect sharp edge of the flat base bullet. If you look at the hand-casted bullets, you see that the edges are rounder. It doesn't show much, but it shows on paper. So the round edges here is loss of lead and loss of weight. And also you see you have round driving bands along the bullet, which might cause a little blow-by and loss of speed, meaning that you get a different point of impact. So hand casting can, if you are really into details, produce the same great bullets as you have here, which a machine does much more easily over and over again.